How to change region in Steam. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your region in your Steam account. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is just open up your Steam. So after you've opened up your Steam, go to your profile right here, tap on your name, and now go to account details. Tap on account details and let it load. So after you've opened up your account details, go to update store country right there, tap on it. Now here, what you'll need to do is you can do this step after you've enabled your VPN too. So here what you'll need to do is, as it says right here, first you need to make a purchase with the currency of your wallet. That is, when you move to a new country or you just open up your VPN, you'll need to make a purchase from that very currency of your location, and only then your Steam's region will get changed. So yeah, that is basically it guys. All you need to do is make a purchase first, and then your region will get changed. Yeah, so that is basically it guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video useful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.